Edward Smith, a 55-year-old black male with no sex drive. It's hard to get and maintain erection, causing my spouse to feel like she doesn't do it for me anymore. What can I do besides the blue pill? Edward, that is an incredible question, and you're going to get the award for the question of the day. One of the products that we have on the website is a product called Lipo-T. What that does, it addresses a variety of different ways, every one of the symptoms that you just described. It boosts your sex drive. It makes it easier for you to get and maintain a good, firm erection that's great for penetration. And you also described something that's very important. In a relationship, when a man has difficulty getting and maintaining erection, his partner can be sympathetic, then empathetic, then it can go to anger because they feel rejected or they feel like something's not right in the relationship because you're not able to function. So there's so many benefits from taking a medication like this or a supplement like this. The Lipo-T supplement, you take 2 or 3, depending upon the benefit that you want. And for you, since this is a big issue, I would say you take 3. You take 3 capsules every day, anytime after dinner and before bedtime. And then you are ready when you are ready. It's not like the Cialis, the Viagra, or the Levitra, which you take 15 to 30 minutes before you're about to have sex, and then you take it, and then you sit there watching the clock to see how much time has passed, and am I ready now? Am I ready now? And you can literally outthink yourself. You can think yourself out of having a good sexual experience. With the Lipo-T, you are ready when you're ready. You start taking it over time, you develop a good basic sexual fitness level. Just like if you start working out at the gym, your body gets stronger. You start taking the Lipo-T, your sexual function starts to get stronger. You're better at it. And you just have a baseline level of sexual physical fitness like you used to have. And now you're able to function with no problem. Once that happens, you won't feel shy. You won't feel inadequate. You won't feel like question, am I going to be able to function this time? I don't know. All those sorts of things. Those one you'll be, I'm ready. And then she'll be like, thank you. Now we're back. Life is great and our relationship works. At 55, this should not be an issue for you. But go to the website, lipodrops.com, look for Lipo-T. Lipo-T. Red bottle means it's red hot. You will be red hot as well. Lipodrops.com, the Lipo-T. I haven't had a man that has not sworn by this medication. It is literally life changing.